to episode 17 of Huddle on the Hilltop. I'm your host, Nate Yurkovic. Today, we have 4 of our varsity basketball players, both from girls and boys. I hope everyone enjoyed their snow day yesterday and caught up on some sleep, but it's quite the electric week up here on the Hilltop as we have them heading into playoffs today, this afternoon. So with me is Todd Brogna, Parker Jones, Alucci Okonwa, and Kaylee McDonald. So today I have a similar episode to the fall sports playoff preview, where we asked the players some questions and then played the roster game. So we'll be bringing that back today. How's everyone?
Good? Amazing.
Good.
So game day.
We ready for this afternoon?
So ready.
No surprise there. All right, let's get right into these questions. So, what does it mean to you guys to be able to represent your school in the playoffs of such a competitive conference? And you get one answer from
us.
Yeah.
It means a lot. I mean, there's a lot of competition in AA, but we're all really confident in ourselves, so we think we're gonna go far.
Yeah.
I
Should.
agree.
Yeah, kind of like the same with him. We love to represent our school. It means a lot coming out there with Worcester jersey on, just kind of like the history before us too.
Yeah.
So we hope to keep it up.
You're repping all the alumni as well.
A lot of legacy.
Question 2 is, what will be the most important thing for your team to be successful today and throughout the rest of the playoffs?
You go ahead first, and I'll go after.
All right, all I'll do is move the ball. We got a great team, and we got a lot of talent on our team. So basically, for us, it's just sharing the ball and running our offense. We'll be good and playing defense.
Yeah, I agree. I think it's just all about big things gonna be like transition defense, and then they got some good shooters, so just making sure we know where they're at. But I think if we just play the way we play, we'll be good.
I think for us, it's going to be everyone has to step up today. We're down 2 starters, so we need to definitely come together and play defense, move the ball, and we have to play our best today no matter what. There's no down play. Every play is important. So
Yeah, it's go time. This is it. Nice. So in what areas has your team improved in the most this year, and how were you able to do so?
For us, I think our depth. We lost a bunch of starters in the middle of the year, so a lot of guys had to step up and take some big minutes. So it really just involved us moving the ball a lot better and just spreading the wealth. Parker didn't miss any games, so he's been there through the whole thing.
Yeah. No, Todd, I think I should be able to speak on this a little better, just playing all the games.
Consistency.
But yeah, no, I mean, I think one of our biggest points of improvement has just been the leadership and the kind of the internal leadership. This is the most driven, team-driven team I've ever been on, where you have, instead of just having a coach kind of lead it, we have so many different guys who step up, and we've had so many other guys step up that I kind of agree with Todd that even when we're down in numbers, we still have guys stepping up to the plate and filling into big shoes. Totally.
What about you guys?
Kind of the same with them in terms of people needing to step up. I mean, as Kaylee just said, we're down 2 starters for this game. I mean, we've had other big players out for other games too, and it's just people needing to push themselves and kind of reach a new level that they haven't reached before.
Yeah.
So yeah.
That confidence factor.
Exactly.
Yeah, 100%. So what has been the most memorable moment this year? It could be a game, practice, or something like a bus ride or a team dinner or something like that.
You got this.
Individually, we can go down the line here.
Okay.
Individually,
Yeah.
just for us personally.
Well, yeah. What was your most memorable moment?
Probably the most recent game I had, or 2 against St. George's, where I had 25 and a half. That was pretty crazy for me because I hadn't had that in a Worcester jersey. But
And your dad came up as his first.
and my
game.
dad was there too, so it was kind of a special moment for me. But yeah,
Love it.
Torched him 25 in the first half.
First
this
half.
guy's gassing me. I
How many did
appreciate
you have the
Wow.
whole game?
25. Didn't
Well, we
score
were
after
after
that.
Hey, but
Okay.
it's fine. It's fine. What about you?
Yeah, but probably senior day.
Senior day?
Yeah, just going on my mom was cool, and also playing at the Garden was cool, but we lost.
It's all right.
Yeah.
Happens.
Sorry.
Learning experience.
Yeah.
You know. What about you?
The New York trip was really fun.
Yeah.
Let's go to New York.
Good team bonding.
Yeah, it was great team bonding.
Yeah.
We beat Putnam
that's what I
Science,
was gonna say.
which is tough. So
Yeah.
Cool.
Yeah, I was just gonna say the Putnam Science game.
yeah.
That was they're really good. They're nationally ranked, and we beat them. So that was good excitement.
Shows what the team can do.
Oh yeah.
So. All right. So for the last 3 questions, I have a little who's most likely to. So just get one answer from each team. Who's most likely to win a Nobel Prize?
Trey Norman.
Probably Trey Norman.
Trey
Ending
Norman?
world peace.
Yeah.
Bringing world peace.
Bringing world peace, not ending it.
I think so.
What about you guys?
Probably Nina.
Nina?
Yeah.
I can see
Nina.
that.
Super genius.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Something in
Yeah.
education or something. I don't know. Maybe.
STEM.
Yeah.
STEM woman.
STEM.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, she is a STEM woman.
Who's most likely to become a celebrity?
Kayvon. Probably.
You think so?
He got a big personality.
He does have a big
Yeah,
personality.
loved by everybody,
Yeah.
so
Yeah.
maybe make it fun.
Yeah, that's funny. Kaylee.
You think
No,
so?
I would say Abby.
Oh yeah, Abby. Yeah.
Abby? Yeah.
Maybe you're like a close second just because like you guys both do modeling. But yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. So the last one I have is who's most likely to be the first up on the mic at karaoke?
TJ,
Yeah,
100%.
Yeah.
Alicia Keys' song, he's up there.
Yeah, I can see that.
Yeah.
No
Just
one
like,
singing.
if you put no one
No
by
one,
Alicia Keys,
yeah.
she'd probably sing without a mic.
TJ.
Yeah.
I see Slim getting on the mic.
No,
Slim's good up there. Yeah.
AD maybe?
Nah.
I mean, he still has to, but
He does have to.
He has to and he still hasn't.
Stay tuned for that.
yeah, but I don't think it's gonna happen.
No.
I think I could hop on the mic.
Yeah. I mean, he makes his own music.
Kayvon would hop on the
Yeah.
mic. We have a lot of extroverted guys who
Yeah,
hop
we
on the mic.
Exactly.
Love it. What about you guys?
Probably Nina and I.
Yeah?
Probably.
Yeah,
yes.
Nina
Yeah.
for sure. I
You
know
guys
I
tear
would.
it
I
up in
would too.
karaoke?
Yeah. Then Sage and Gianna next. Yeah.
Love it. Alright. So next up we're gonna play the roster game. So each of the groups will have their roster and they'll have about a minute to say something about their teammates going down the list. So who wants to go first?
We'll go.
You guys wanna go first?
Sure.
Alright, 3, 2, 1, go.
Drake fan.
Jake.
Me.
You.
Chase.
Redhead.
DC.
Freshman.
Ant. Slim. Max.
I'll skip it. Tech last game.
Tech last game.
Don't.
Oh, Zach.
25 in the first half.
Me.
Angry Man.
Wes.
Yellow Crocs.
Slim.
Worcester native.
Kayvon.
Boston.
Trey.
Duke.
TJ.
Injured most of the season.
And
Ryan
that's
Soler.
time. Alright, ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
A part of the sophomore duo.
Sage.
Yeah. You have managers on here? Our manager. Like our main manager.
Bethany.
Yeah. Out for the rest of the season.
Yeah.
Duke.
Yeah.
Second part of the sophomore duo.
Gianna.
I can't do that. She's not gonna know that. Redhead.
Yeah.
Oh,
Right.
yeah. Yeah. Model.
Abby.
Skip. Todd's girlfriend.
AG.
No, yeah.
And that's time.
Wow. Getting all of
I
them.
would have
Huh?
done better.
Where's the
Because you
enthusiasm?
put in our
You just flew
and-
through
You
that.
guys
No.
did fly through that. Alright, well, I think the boys took the cake on that one.
Easily.
So shout out to them. But good luck to both you guys in your games today and throughout the rest of the playoffs. And that's it for episode 17 of Huddle on the Hilltop.
Let's
See you guys
go.
later.